Yeah, yeah. Now you will spread salt on that, right? Not now, right? After the snow. Yeah. Salt.
Because the switch is frozen,
Oh.
it's not working. That's why I'm going to put it back.
Okay, yeah.
So Anjali, give this, right? See, what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the snow and you're going to park the car on the street.
This one I can fold?
Don't fold, just leave it.
Okay.
Because we're going to clean this and push this also.
Oh, okay. See guys how Canadian people are struggling.
This is what you don't want here, right?
Yeah.
Because look at the snow. It's like,
Yeah.
if it snows again, where are we going to put the snow?
Yeah.
That's why we have to,
I'm here to show the real scenario of Canada.
where are we going to put the snow now?
True, in our country,
Yeah.
we don't value.
Yeah, we don't value.
We don't value and because of the corruption and all that.
Yeah.
Our country.
I talk.
I can put the machine. Just push it.
Or push it on the floor?
Should I do? I'll do.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
You know, I tell to these colleagues, like most of them are Asians, right? So I know they ask the question, then why I'm here? Okay. Okay.
Put that side.
So
Oh, what do you tell them?
like I say, this is the problem of Canada and all. Then they ask, then why I'm
Why
here?
are you here?
Then I said I want to enjoy the like
the good
things.
things of
Yeah,
our
good
country.
things.
Yeah.
The only problem India, like we don't get enough money, right, to earn. That's only the result.
Yeah, that's the only
Otherwise, it's a paradise than this one.
thing. Otherwise, it's paradise,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
If you make good money, you live a good life there.
You don't have the other one because
Yeah, you could just put it. You
Right?
can't scratch that much. This is
Really?
plastic, right? Get it.
Yeah, you can put it on the this.
Yeah.
oh
This car is a little bit old, so you
oh,
could,
oh, oh.
yeah.
What you do is
Never going to buy a house and live here? You don't have.
I will not answer now.
What if it happens?
because Afra is watching.
Yeah, of course.
No, it's a great country.
Yeah,
I mean, you are young. You can.
correct. But you know, I give more value to the family.
The machine. This is the first year after
the
this
first
heart
year.
condition.
After the heart condition only he bought the machine.
Ah, yeah, that's true. I think before the 1 year before we were coming, I
We
think
were
that
traveling, right?
yeah, that time also heavy snowfall, right?
Oh yeah, that year. Yeah, that's true.
You know, if we are living here, our family, you know, it get disconnected, right, after a kid born.
True, you get disconnected. Your kids
Yeah.
will get disconnected.
Yeah, and kids, what will happen when they go back to the country?
Take you out of place.
They will say, oh, this is very dirty place, so and so things.
Yeah, you're right. They'll say, exactly.
Yeah.
The last snow for this year.
Oh, okay.
No.
No hand.
No,
pushing.
because I am afraid.
This is how you.
It may get scratched, right?
No, it won't.
Okay, give me.
You have more force. You can
Yeah, correct.
push it like this.
Yeah.
It will slide.
Slide.
That's the way.
What time is it going to stop?
I think 11 night. Okay, evening or night.